Is it time to buy or sell Apple stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Apple. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 18th of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 18th of November, 2024, our system has ranked Apple as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of 0.57. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time. The stock has experienced natural fluctuations, but it currently shows a loss of 0.0% since we initially recommended hold or accumulate. The stock is currently moving within a horizontal trend, and we can anticipate further movements within this pattern. Analyzing the current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 1.84% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 0.55% to positive 6.21%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.67% over the upcoming year, with a potential return fluctuating between 14.97% and 39.23%. This would correspond to a price range of $262.16 to $317.48 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Apple includes the headline, Stronger Technical Forecast for Apple Stock Price After Monday Trading. The Apple stock price gained 1.34% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 18th of November, 2024. It rose from $225 to $228.02. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated 2.03%, with a low of $225.18 and a high of $229.74. The price has increased in 5 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.71% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, resulting in a total of 40 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9.110 billion. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $237.49, while the lowest was $164.08. Currently, the price is 3.99%, or $9.47, below the 52-week high of $237.49, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Apple's stock performance remains in the spotlight as recent developments unfold. Tim Cook appears relieved following Donald Trump's election victory, which may help mitigate Apple's vulnerabilities associated with its heavy reliance on China. This strategic adjustment could play a crucial role in stabilizing the company's operations in the region, potentially leading to a more favorable long-term outlook for the stock as geopolitical tensions evolve. Additionally, Apple is reportedly revisiting plans from the Steve Jobs era to develop its own television set, suggesting a renewed commitment to innovation in hardware. Such moves could intrigue investors, hinting at expansive product diversification and future revenue streams. Investors are seeing mixed signals as Apple's shares remain range-bound following the release of the iPhone 16, compounded by Warren Buffett's reduction of Berkshire Hathaway's stake in the tech giant. This notable divestiture raises concerns about investor confidence. However, as Buffett reallocates capital into other growth sectors, it could create liquidity pressure on Apple's stock in the short term. Looking ahead, the anticipated launch of a second-generation AirTag, set for mid-2025, could reignite interest in Apple's ecosystem of products, enhancing user engagement and potentially driving sales. As Apple navigates these challenges and opportunities, its stock price reaction may be influenced by investor sentiment and broader market trends following the recent election. The combination of these factors will likely dictate Apple's market performance in both the short and long term. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 1st of November, 2024, it was reported that Maxim Group assigned Apple a hold rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Barclays assigned Apple an underweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 29th of October, 2024, Piper Sandler assigned Apple a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, UBS assigned Apple a neutral rating with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, Bernstein assigned Apple an outperform rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Apple stock a general neutral rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. However, for return on investment, the analysts have rated the stock as strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Apple. There are mixed signals in the stock today. The Apple stock holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. However, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this results in a more negative forecast for the stock. On further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $228.33. Conversely, if the stock falls, it will find some support from the short-term average at $225.97. A breakthrough through the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will introduce another sell signal, reinforcing the overall negative trend. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Monday, November 4, 2024, and thus far, the stock has risen 2.71%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is reached. Notably, volume declined during the last trading day despite rising prices, creating a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning. Close attention should be paid to the stock. The stock had a golden star signal on Wednesday, September 18, 2024, in the short-term chart. A golden star signal occurs when the short-term moving average, the long-term moving average, and the price line converge in a special combination. This occurrence is quite rare and is often followed by significant and sustained gains for the stock in question. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 11 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 11 days ago as well. The short-term moving average has issued a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average has also indicated a sell signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages reflected a buy signal 12 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a sell signal 15 days ago. The long-term moving average has shown a sell signal 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal 127 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Apple. Apple finds support from accumulated volume at $224.23. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is typically traded with considerable volume, and given the minor daily fluctuations, the risk is deemed low. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $4.56, which is a change of 2.03%, between its high and low. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 1.53%. Before we dive into the possible favorable trading levels for Apple, let's briefly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its earnings per share. This is a relatively typical PE ratio, often observed in companies with long-standing histories or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 6th of February, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at $2.36. Keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Apple. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Apple is at $228.20. If you do not own any shares, you might consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a point to contemplate for swing trading. On the downside, Apple encounters its first support level at $224.23. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Apple from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now let's explore some recent insider trades. On the 5th of November, 2024, Adams Catherine L. executed an insider sale of 8,000 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Condo Chris made an insider purchase of 8,115 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Condo Chris also conducted an insider sale of 3,985 shares of common stock. On the 15th of October, 2024, Condo Chris executed an insider sale of 1,898 shares of restricted stock units. On the 15th of October, 2024, Condo Chris conducted another insider sale of 2,077 shares of restricted stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 25.311. In total, insiders purchased 2,069,882 shares and sold 3,603,722 shares in these last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $216.30, reflecting a decline of 5.14%. This stock experiences low daily movements, which contributes to a lower risk profile. Additionally, a buy signal has been identified from a pivot bottom that occurred 10 days ago. Is Apple stock a good buy? Apple exhibits several positive indicators. However, we do not deem these sufficient to qualify as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is best regarded as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors should maintain their positions or accumulate more while awaiting further developments. Our analysis has been updated since the last evaluation, changing from a sell to a hold or accumulate recommendation. After assessing the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 19th of November, we anticipate that Apple will open lower by 37 cents and begin trading at $227.65. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.